ETABS Enterprise is the world's most advanced and widely used report automation software for market research, allowing you to automate the production of fully customized Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, or Word, or PDF reports and presentations. Automation with ETABS will improve your project margins, allow you more time to analyze your results, and provide deeper insight for your clients. Furthermore, your reports will be more accurate as it cuts out the human error. So how does Enterprise work? From a single or multiple data sources from any cross-tab platform, Enterprise can populate and format your report, client-ready, at the click of a button, including completing any ranking and sorting, statistical testing, image placement, conditional formatting, calculations, and so much more. Basically, anything you can do manually, Enterprise can automate. That's why we call it one-click final report production. Let's watch Enterprise in action. Double-clicking here will open the data source for this report, in this case, a set of SPSS tables in Excel. This is the survey data that Enterprise will use to populate the final report. Double-clicking here opens the report template for an internet usage study from a fictional research company. In this case, the report consists of 8 slides, although there are no restrictions whatsoever to the size of your presentation, the types of charts, or your data sources. So now this template is ready for Enterprise to populate with data and format into a final client-ready report. Let's see what happens when we click the Run button. Enterprise begins the first of 4 stages, the data stage. The data stage goes through the entire presentation and places the relevant data into the charts, tables, and objects as they appear in the data source. Once all the required data has been populated, Enterprise will enter its second stage. The calculation stage is where Enterprise performs ranking, sorting, and calculations such as creating nets and statistical testing in the tables and charts. Now we enter the third, and perhaps most impressive stage, the rules or conditional formatting. Now that all the data is final and in the correct position, Enterprise can go through the report and make any formatting changes based on what the numbers are and where they lie in the presentation. This could be adding of significance letters and indicators, changing the text, color, or bar charts or styles, inserting images like brand logos, country flags, product pictures, or photos, changing of data labels, removing unwanted figures, cells, charts, or even entire slides. Basically anything that could and would otherwise be done by you manually, Enterprise can automate. Finally, the last stage generates clever data visualizations and infographics using the ETABS Visuals plugin. These include word clouds and proportionally sized or filled brand logos, icons, and images. And here we have our fully populated and formatted report ready for you to add your own insight. All the charts and tables are native PowerPoint and can be edited and changed if you need to make any adjustments before giving it to your client. Real PowerPoint charts, not images. There are no restrictions on the look and feel of your presentation. No matter how unique, complex, or customized your presentation may be, you can automate their production with ETABS Enterprise. So that's what we mean by one-click final report production. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Whatever type of study you do, tracking study, multi-country brand or market, segmentation, syndicated, product test, customer satisfaction, brand image, scorecards, KPI tests. Any type of study, you name it, ETABS Enterprise can automate it. And when you do, you'll benefit from increased profit margins, faster project turnaround, greater insight, and more accurate reporting. What are you waiting for? We hope you enjoyed this short presentation of ETABS Enterprise and would invite you to get in contact with us should you like a personalized or customized demonstration or any further information. ETABS, we give you data insight.